All right, imagine this. Your check engine light pops on, your heart sinks a little, and you're wondering if this is a $20 fix or a $2,000 nightmare. That's exactly where the Innova OBD2 scanner comes in. And if you like knowing what's going on with your car before heading to the mechanic, you're going to want to hear this. So here's the deal. You plug the Innova into your car's OBD2 port, and within seconds, you're getting real answers instead of guessing. You're able to read and clear engine codes, check ABS and SRS codes on many vehicles, and actually understand what those codes mean thanks to the built-in repair solutions integration. That's huge, because instead of seeing a random code like PO420 and Googling it for 20 minutes, you get a plain English explanation right on the screen or through the app. You also get live data, emissions readiness status, and battery and charging system checks, which are super helpful if you're troubleshooting issues or preparing for an inspection. The screen is bright and easy to read, the buttons feel solid, and it doesn't feel like one of those cheap scanners that barely work. You don't need to be a car expert either. If you can plug in a cable and follow prompts, you're good. Whether you're a DIY car owner, someone who hates getting upsold at repair shops, or want peace of mind when a warning light comes on, this scanner gives you control and confidence without being overwhelming. Now, if you want to stop guessing and actually know what your car is trying to tell you, click the Amazon link below. Check out the Innova, see the latest price, and decide if it's the right upgrade for your glove box. And hey, if this review helped you out, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Reviews Funnel for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.